Mama.
Granddaddy,
Huh?
Grandma said you gotta go to the store.
Fuck up. Ain't going no goddamn store. And a motherfucking kid. Where the fuck Keisha at? Where the fuck she at? Shit. I always gotta do something for my wife. Where the fuck her girl key is at?
Oh, Papa.
Granddaddy, you ain't gonna go to the store where?
I told you, motherfucking that ain't going to the goddamn store.
Granddaddy,
Huh?
going to the store?
No.
Kids need diapers. Granddaddy,
Ah!
are you going to the store?
Yeah, no. Hey! Hey, Gurky, come help your granddad here, boy. Damn, can't get up.
Oh no!
Watch out, Gurky. I love y'all. Granddad coming through, man. Going to love y'all.
Granddaddy,
I would have left little man. He's like, you know.
Fuck you all. My own way. Hey, babe. How you doing? Okay. Oh, fuck you. Fuck.
Granddaddy, sit down.
Go, we got good. What's the damn chatty? Go give me some whips. Where the fuck Keisha at? Don't know where the fuck she at.
Not getting real old.
She ain't. I bet she throw that money out of my purse too. Out of my pocket. Uh-huh.
I'll get them off of me like that. We got happy ball.
Granddaddy, oh.
God damn it! Fuck! Fuck me! God damn it!
So if it go this way,
That like a fucking pussy. God damn. Fuck y'all laughing at.
it go like this. It don't go like this.
Shit, I go down.
So all that up.
She got the fucking go. She disrespected. I don't like that.
Who the fuck your grandma think she is? Girl, baby, bye.
Oh, you don't know me. You don't know me. I'm gonna mop in a mirror and shoot your motherfucking ass.
Your pepper leaking.
You say what? You say what? Oh, okay. I don't like kids. I love my grandkids, but I don't like your motherfucking ass. Well, your mouth too much. Why the fuck you went back and told Keisha? You loaned me some food stamps. You ain't loaned me shit.
I did know you don't.
You ain't loaned me shit. Goddamn, say I got 100 for 75. It don't work like that. Goddamn it. My kids get food stamps. They. Oh Lord, my blood pressure going high. Man, I'm gonna have to go to ICU tonight. Oh shit. You get your ugly ass up and do something around the house. Shit. Don't tell me what happened. Bitch, you know what happened. Shit, you went out last night, you worked all night, take the goddamn garbage out. Damn, dude, stop. Damn. Go suck some, man. I'm bring me $150 check home. Fuck. And I'm the one paying the bills in this goddamn house. I don't want people politicians and shit in the bathroom and shit to wipe your ass. And now you want to sit here and tell me to go, you know what? Ooh, you bitch. Bitch. I throw this motherfucking can in your mouth. Stop playing with me, bitch. I'm telling you. I told you. I told you. Yeah, in case you told me, you stole her flat screen TV, so what the fuck you do with it? I'm good there, go, they ain't you. You a motherfucking lie, because her TV was in her room, so how the fuck you, how the hell you been in her room? That's why we gonna give her in the morning and go to the pawn store. And your motherfucking dad stole my kid TV, I'ma shoot your ass with AK-47.
Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
See my great kids. See, Lord, I got my great kids.